Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a human hair wig review, and this wig has kindly been sent to me by a brand called Hair Vivi. Today's video is just going to be a quick unboxing and showing you guys how amazing this wig really is, especially for the price. So I'm just going to get straight into it and unbox this wig with you guys. So the wig that I have received from Hair Vivi came in this really cute box. It's like a matte finish, I can't really describe it, but it feels really nice, and amazingly it didn't get damaged by when it got sent over. Literally all of the boxes and parcels that I get sent usually get damaged in the post, but this one came and it was just perfect, literally not even a scratch on it. So you open it up with a little bow, and then inside you get this silk bag with the wig obviously inside. So they also sent me a few extras. They sent me the rat tail comb, the little brush to obviously do the baby hairs, and also some clips which are super handy for like pinning back the hair. So I thought that was a really nice little touch as well, just to get those little freebies in there with the wig. And then the most exciting part, moving on to the wig. So this is the wig that they sent to me. As you can see, it's got little blonde streaks going through it, but it's a dark brown wig, which is what I would normally wear. And I will just run through the specs of this wig for you. So this wig is called the Addison Brown wig with highlights and transparent HD lace. It'll pop up a photo of what it looks like on the website for you guys. So this wig is 100% virgin human hair. It has bleached knots. Lace is HD transparent lace. The length of this wig is 22 inches, 180% density, and it's a 13x6 frontal wig. I'm gonna show you guys the cap construction of this over on the bed, so I can just give you like a close-up of what the inside of the wig looks like. But I will show you guys the front of the hairline as well, because the knots on here are amazing. So this is just a close-up of the cap construction as well. As you can see, you've got the adjustable straps and also the piano strap, which Hair Vivi applied to all of their wigs. It's free, they just pop that on the back for you as like a standard. You can also see here where the lace runs, and as I said in the video, it runs really far back on the hairline, so the tracks are obviously in the back, but from the top there's literally, it just looks like a scalp. I literally can't get over how amazing that is. And obviously this is HD lace as well, so when I'm running my finger through here you can see just how good quality that is. Obviously the hairline has been pre-plucked. You could go back in and do more if you wanted to, but I don't really think you need to with this one. There are no combs in this wig, which doesn't bother me because obviously I don't have any hair to grip it to anyway. Also, just want to stress that I got this in a petite cap and it fits my head perfectly, and I have a very small head, so that is very rare to find, but this fits my head perfectly. So this is the wig literally fresh out of the box. The lace hasn't been cut, but just to show you guys how amazing that hairline looks, you can literally just run your fingers through the hair and it just looks like natural scalp, which I just think is amazing. So all of the Hair Vivi wigs have the pre-plucked hairline, so obviously you've got the section in the front here which just looks super natural, and they also have bleached knots, so the front section here, when you move your hair in the wind and everything, or like tuck it behind your ears, it's just gonna literally look like the hair is growing from your scalp, which I'm so incredibly impressed by. So for me, and I've always said this in my videos, the number one thing is that the hair quality is obviously good for the money that you pay. So this wig comes to £434. You really do get a lot for what you pay. So I've had other wigs in the past and I've obviously done reviews on those as well, and I just think that this one, the hair quality is a lot better. So this is 22 inches and it is true 22 inches, and as you can see it's got those like lighter bits at the bottom, so you've got the pieces in the front and then also at the bottom as well. So obviously the idea with this is that if you wanted to create a part in. I'm sorry, look how easy that was. I'm so impressed. That was just literally split it down the middle, and then you've got this amazing part in. So for lace front wigs, you tend to find that like the tracks will start like quite close to the front of the wig, whereas with this one they don't start until like really far back, so you've still got all of that parting space, so it literally just looks like a full lace wig. So I am going to quickly cut the lace just to show you guys. I probably will take a little bit off the front here just so that it fits my shaped head a little bit better, but I'm probably going to speed this section up and just show you guys me cutting the lace. Okay, so I've cut off all of the lace, and I'm just gonna quickly pop a bit of got2b glued hair gel on the sides. So you don't need this in the front because, as you can see, it literally just sits completely flat to your head, but I do like to just put a little bit just along the perimeter here, just so that you can flatten the sideburns down. And I'm also going to just do a little bit of styling with this wig, so I'm going to curl it a little bit. So my first step will obviously be to use some heat defense spray. And that is literally the wig ready to go, which is just amazing. As you can see, I haven't put any glue in the front. It is just completely laying flat to my head. I can't get over how natural the parting looks and just how incredible the hair quality is. So for the price, I'm sure at the moment you guys will realise how ridiculously priced wigs are at the moment. The Hair Vivi wigs, I cannot stress enough, are amazing for the quality and for the price point that they are at. I'm going to do a quick 360 as well, so you guys can just see how long this hair is, because I know my hair freshener. I know you guys like to see like the wig from all different angles. So from this side, and then also from the back. So please let me know what you guys obviously think of this wig as well. As you can tell, I'm very much in love with this hair. I'm literally just, I'm speechless at how amazing this wig is. And yeah, that is pretty much the whole unboxing of this wig and showing you guys exactly why I'm so obsessed with this brand at the moment. I do have another video coming on another Hair Vivi wig, one that I bought myself, which, spoiler, I'm equally as obsessed with. But yeah, please let me know what you guys think of this wig too, and if you want any more details regarding this wig, then please let me know. I will try and include anything that I think I've missed in the description. Oh, a good one would be shipping. So the shipping for this wig is about 2 weeks. From the time where I got the delivery notification, it said that it was coming in like 5 days, and it actually only took like 2 or 3, so it was super quick for obviously what you're getting. And usually, like with custom wigs and everything, they take a really long time, but this one was super quick. Same goes for my other one, that was also really quick on delivery. And if you really like these wig reviews, I have got another human hair wig review coming up very soon, again on a Hair Vivi wig that I bought recently. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you all guys I will see you all guys. I will see you all on the next video. Bye.